I think there's a feeling every artist and creative gets when they are creating, a sense of oneness with what you are doing, and the world around kind of gets blurry and fades into the background. Setting up the camera and trying to capture the moment on screen takes away that feeling and the joy slowly dissipates. Suddenly, it stops being fun and starts feeling more like work. For an artist that just wants to sit at 1 p.m. in his room and create art till sunset, worrying about lighting setup, sketchbook placement, and room aesthetics appears to be the biggest point of worry.
Hi guys, my name is Damola and I go by Nod now. That is how it's pronounced, just in case you were wondering. I'm a traditional artist and I've been doing this for like 3 years now. I'm also a content creator and a video editor, but on this channel I make art videos and I try to make it look cinematic. I'm still learning on that aspect though.
This video shows the process of how I draw head portraits in my style, and I also try to capture the feeling that comes with the process.
So I think I have an issue. This light is meant for this place, but it is obstructing me from proper recording myself from this angle. So I'm thinking of shifting it a little bit sideways, and I feel like we should just do that now. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I mean, you enjoyed the video, right? Duh.